single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make.
Okay, so I just finished my workout, and so I think it's time for me to prepare my, I think this is not, it's smoothie. Before, guys, I usually have this in the morning. This is what I have in the morning, and I can't go on with the day. It's just like my exercise, that my day is always have coffee. I always have a coffee, one shot of coffee, and but then I have to say goodbye, hopefully just temporarily. And way back in busy, I don't use the instant one, but since Steve here doesn't have any, because he's not drinking coffee, so he doesn't have any, he does not have how do you call this, a coffee maker. But way back in busy, I drink the brewed one every morning. I brew, and the aroma of that coffee makes me awake. So today it's different. This is my third day. I'm sober for 3 days for coffee, and it's hard to get through the day without the coffee, I'm telling you guys. Spinach. And one thing more, guys, one thing I can't have right now is anything that's high in calcium, like dairy products. My favorite, cheese. I'm saying goodbye for now. No more cheese for now. I actually just brought a brie. I have parmesan sitting here, and also goodbye for wheat bread. I mean, all breads are made up of wheat, so the only bread that I can have is the sourdough, because the sourdough, it's made up of wheat, but then while processing it into being a sourdough, or if you know, doing the sourdough, it kills that certain I don't know, I forgot the name, phytonic or phytic or whatever compound or chemical is that, and it will kill that, so I can have the sourdough. So and also, guys, I'm not a sugar person. Naturally, it's not that I don't like, but it's by natural. I don't like the taste of sugar. It gives me, I don't know, so I'm not a juice person. I rarely drink juice. It's because I found juices all sweet, and there was a time I remember that I how do you call this, that my blood sugar went down, and I collapsed, literally collapsed, passed out. I had the test, and there's just one thing that came out. I have very low blood sugar, so I started like having sugar somehow, some way, but I don't really do it like, you know, not even on a daily basis. And this one, this is too sweet for me. I mean, but I can manage to have one now because I need to for my iron. Any food with vitamin C, especially if your iron comes from non-hemp. Non-hemp are those plant-based or fruits, and hemp iron is from those animals. So red meat, all poultry, and also seafood is actually good in, rich in iron. So I'm into seafood. I'm into meat for now. So yeah. It's actually good. It tastes good. So so that's it. This is going to be my breakfast after my workout. So it's not that I am on diet, but I'm just trying to have more iron, and all the things that I have put in here are rich in iron. So there's a vitamin C, and the spinach has iron. Banana is not that much, and the strawberry as well. So yeah, it's actually good. So thank you for watching.
Every single day